What's up everyone, welcome back to How To Knots, and today I'm going to show you how to tie a running bowline. So don't go anywhere and let's jump straight into the knot. Alright, the running bowline is pretty simple, so let's just go step by step. We're going to go around our object at first, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make a loop just like this, as you can see. And then we're going to come under our main line here. Then we are going to go over under this loop here, okay, as you can see. We're going to come around this one. Okay, and then there's this whole mess here, but we're going to come right above and then under through here. So then here is the bowline right here. So I'm going to tighten that up just by holding this tag end and pulling on this main line here. So there's the bowline, you can see, and then it's looped around so that it can run up and down. So that is basically it. I can tie one more time very slowly for you, but otherwise that is how to tie the running bowline. All right, you step-by-step people, here we go super slowly, step-by-step, how to tie the running bowline. So around our object, then we are going to make a loop. So simply twist just like this, okay? Then we are going to come under this line with our tag end here, over, lift up this loop and come under the loop here. I grab a bit of slack, okay, around, okay, and then right here, over, and then under right here, and then we're going to take that tag end that I was holding in this main line and pull. So there's the bowline, and then here is where it's running, okay. So that was a slower demonstration. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, comment what other knot tutorials you want to see. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.